Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Audi Q5 2-litre TFSI S-Line S Tronic QUATTRO, which is a petrol automatic. To start off with, you have LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 19-inch 5 twin star design alloy wheels, really complementing against the grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. This car also has an electronic boot lid, and once open you can see you have a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase, a pushchair, or perhaps just a weekly shop. This car also comes with Audi roof bars, allowing you to add a roof box, or perhaps even a bike rack to carry bikes. Moving through the rear seats, you're able to see the part leather and part suede cloth upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest for either passenger, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel and entertainment system, and as we pan round you can find that lovely leather and suede cloth upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort for any journey. This car also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. You also have a Bang & Olufsen sound system to help enhance your listening experience on any journey you may take in this car. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your buttons for your information panel. And located on your steering column, you are able to find your cruise control, allowing you to travel at a constant speed, coming in handy on those long journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this car has done 35,708 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Audi entertainment system, you have everything you need, including your Audi Drive Select, which has a variety of different driving modes so you can find one suited to you and your driving style, DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important calls, a navigation system to help you plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. And you also have a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. Taking a look at your climate control, you have a 3-zone climate control, so you have a dual zone in the front so you and your passenger can travel at comfortable temperatures, as well as having front heated seats. You are able to also set the rear climate temperature. You also have a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is wireless charging compatible, it enables you to keep your device charged whilst on the go.